Hello friends, Marcy here, and I'm presenting day 18 of the Diamine Inkvent calendar from 2023 as a special Christmas in July 2024 event. So let's get into our little special package here. 18 and another blue. I'm seeing an appropriate name, Blizzard, and let me get the plastic wrapping off of this and we'll be right back. Okay, the name Blizzard, let's look closely here, on a blue ink makes me think we should be seeing some shimmer. Let's check. So we have the name shimmer on the bottle, and if we keep going, yep, there it is. All right, shimmer always settles, so we're gonna move this bottle around. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see. I'm going to slowly agitate this and we'll be right back. So while I'm waiting for my shimmer to move around, let's get a nib stamp on here. Let's go this way. Making it daily differences. I think we're about to see a thing of beauty. Oh my. So I was expecting kind of a light blue. This is really a dark teal color. Surprised me a little bit. And of course it's all wet and shiny, so as it dries we'll come back and look at the color and the shimmer. And I'm going to do, again, since I have extra ink on my brush, I'm just going to put some on this copy paper. And of course, since this is a thirsty dry paper, it just dries quickly. The color has went into the paper. It does bleed through, and you can see right away the shimmer that has collected on the top. So interesting. And another way to admire the beautiful ink before rinsing it away. Oh, see, I used it, most of it up. There's not much rinsing away in my rinse jar. Very faint hint of ink. Okay, let me see. What are we going to write with today? I think I'll use Takamori nib. And I want to turn this over one more time because it has been sitting. See, the shimmer has collected on the bottom. I'm going to turn it over once again before I begin writing. Sorry, I got a phone call and had to pause my activity here. Let me get the lid off. All right. We're going to put down some beautiful ink. Look for that beautiful shimmer when we write the word. Ooh. So, whoops. There was a whole blurb of ink, but it's going to be a beautiful blurb, isn't it? All right, Blizzard 2023. Day 18. Wow, we only have 1 week left to make it to the big reveal of day 25. Diamine Inkvent. Kind of holding my nib far back so I don't put my hand on the wet ink. It's a little bit awkward, but doable. And the reason this is such a fun activity, it's like every day I get to see a thing of beauty. All right, our swatch is pretty much dried. That happened during the phone call, but we'll wait for the lettering on Blizzard and at the top to dry, and we'll finish this up. Okay, one more gander at the color difference on the paper. The HP 28 pound copy paper, it has a lighter shade. Again, this is like the true denim that I spoke about yesterday on day 17 with the lavender frost. Anyway, more saturated here as I use the brush, and it tends to sit on the paper more, so you get more of the saturation color. And isn't that, see, that's a beautiful blurb. We knew it. Look at those. Can you imagine using these inks and nibs on holiday cards? Oh, what fun. All right, thank you for spending some of your precious moments with me. You have a blessed day. Bye-bye.